we are expanding this log base 4 of the cube root of 11 times 3 times 2. Okay, and so if you want to get the answer that they got, you have to realize that our goal is not to consolidate things, our goal is to expand things. So I'm not going to do the 11 times the 3 times the 2, which I could. But I am going to change this cube root. Okay, remember that's a rational denominator, so a fraction in, or not a rational exponent, so a fractional exponent. So if you have something in the square root, that's x to the 1/2. If you have something cube root, that's to the 1/3. Okay. And the 11, the 3, and the 2 are all getting that 1/3. And so one thing I didn't do on number 2 that I'll do right now is I'll just go ahead and bring that 1/3 out front. Okay, and we'll see what that looks like. So just realize now that the 1/3 is applied to the log base 4 of the 11 and the 3 and the 2. So what I'm going to do is put the 1/3, and then I'm going to write separate logs, but notice the 1/3 is still applied to all of these logs. Okay. The arguments are all being multiplied, so when I separate them, they're all added. And then the last really big step here is to, the 1/3 has to be, I'm going to put it with all of these logs separately. 1/3 log base 4, 2. We've talked about this in class, in my class at least, so see how that is written as a log base 4 of 2 over 3. It's the same thing. Multiplying by 1/3, same as dividing by 3. So you need to be able to recognize that so that you can use that power property and bring it out either in as a from an exponent in the log to a coefficient out front of the log, or put it back into the log as an exponent.